If your Photopea keyboard shortcuts are not working, don't worry, because this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons Photopea shortcuts stop responding and exactly how to get them working again. This is especially useful if you're trying to switch tools, adjust brushes, or move around your project and nothing happens when you press a key. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's get into it. First, click directly on the dark grey area outside your canvas to regain focus. If your cursor was recently inside a field like layer names, opacity, font size, or dimensions, Photopea may still be listening to that input box instead of the main workspace. Clicking outside the canvas helps bring the keyboard focus back to Photopea itself, so your shortcuts can start working again. Next, if you are editing a text layer, remember that single key shortcuts will not work the same way. For example, pressing V for the move tool or B for the brush tool may just type those letters into your text instead of switching tools. To fix that, press Escape or press Enter on the numeric keypad to commit the text and exit text editing mode. Once you are out of that mode, your shortcuts should respond normally again. If that still does not solve it, the next thing to check is browser or extension conflicts. Some browser extensions, like password managers, screenshot tools, grammar tools, or tab controllers, can capture keyboard shortcuts before Photopea ever sees them. A great way to test this is to open Photopea in an incognito window using Command or Control, Shift and in. If the shortcuts work there, then you know one of your browser extensions is causing the problem. From there, disable extensions one by one until you find the one interfering with Photopea. Another thing to verify is your keyboard language or operating system shortcut settings. If you have switched your keyboard layout from English to another language, some keys may behave differently. That can affect important shortcuts, especially bracket keys for brush size or modifier keys like Ctrl, Alt, or Command. Make sure your operating system is set to the correct keyboard layout, ideally your standard English layout or your primary typing language. This small change can make a big difference if Photopea shortcuts seem broken for no clear reason. And here is one of the best solutions if you use Photopea often. Install it as a PWA or progressive web app. When you use Photopea in a normal browser tab, the browser can take priority over shortcuts like Ctrl plus W or Ctrl plus N. To improve shortcut behavior, click More, then choose Install Photopea in the top bar. Once installed, Photopea opens in its own dedicated window, which gives it much better keyboard priority and makes most shortcuts behave more like a desktop app. So if your Photopea keyboard shortcuts are not working, start by checking Focus, exit text editing mode, test for extension conflicts, verify your keyboard layout, and install Photopea as a web app for the best experience. These steps solve the issue for most users in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photopea tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.